Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. And after you open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. Now scroll through the settings menu, find the sounds and vibration, and tap on it. And here we have three types of volume. We have media volume, ring volume, and AI voice volume. To adjust, for example, media volume, tap on media volume, and then adjust the volume for media by swiping up and down on the slider or by using the crown button. And once you're done, you can swipe right. Now we can tap on ring volume, and we can adjust it by using the crown button or by sliding on the slider. And next we have the AI voice volume. So for the voice assistant, then you can adjust it again by swiping on the slider or by using the crown button. And once you're done adjusting the volumes, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.